I'm Pete Luzak from the Bass University. We're here at the 2013 Bassmaster Classic Show. We're at the Death Shimmer booth. This is Rich and Jim, the owners of Death Shimmer Spinnerbait. And they're one of my sponsors. They've been with me for a couple of years. It's an unbelievable spinnerbait. It has some very, very unique characteristics. And Rich, you're the designer of the spinnerbait. It clearly has a very unique bend on the arm. What makes the Death Shimmer special?
What we're going to do is we're going to load up the upper arm with more water resistance. That's going to cause that spinnerbait to have a very unique vibration when it comes through the water. A traditional spinnerbait arm is straight. It's limited in its ability to vibrate. A Willie blade on a Death Shimmer spinnerbait will actually have a thump similar to a Colorado. It's something that fish have never seen before, and they really do strike.
And that's the cool deal. This is a vibration that the fish haven't seen in your lake. It's a brand new product. So give it a try. It's called the Death Shimmer spinnerbait. The first time I used it, I couldn't believe it. The guy in the back of the boat started beating my pants on using a regular spinnerbait that I was using. He started tearing them up. That's how I got introduced to it. I wound up meeting Rich, and now I'm fishing this spinnerbait all over the country. So give it a try. It's called the Death Shimmer spinnerbait. I'm Pete Luzak from the Bass University.